Yeah, I heard something. Y'all be ready. Just got woke up. It looks green. I thought it could just be a chicken. You see, there ain't that many. They're screaming. Little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna be locked up tomorrow. I ain't doing this no more. Except for the ducks, of course. Oh yeah, y'all bum pack full up in there. Full pack full. Little bit, what you doing, little bit? Come on. Yeah, watch what you're doing. Yeah, get over to bed. Yeah, I'm doing good. Look at how you're sleeping in the tub. What a wonderful look that is, Tommy. Okay, everybody's doing good, yeah. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of birds all on top. Bunch of birds on top, a whole bunch of birds on the bottom. It looks like there's plenty of feed left. So yeah, everybody's getting longer. Little bit. Little bit. Let's go a little bit. Little bit. Get your butt over here now. Little bit. Trouble. Come on, Belly. Come on, Trouble. Belly, now. Come on. Let's go, now. Little bit, come on. Little bit. Come on, Belly. Come on, Juju, now. Come on, guys. Little bit, you better be at that front door. Little bit. Come on. Come on, Billy. Come on, Juju. Like I said, it is the middle of the night. We gotta get up, take care of our animals. Remember, this is Haven's Homestead. God bless y'all. Remember, hit that like, hit that bell, and be sure to subscribe. Peace.